Hello, I will show you my Raspberry Pi car project, and I'm now rebooting my Raspberry Pi. After reboot, it automatically starts the Python program that is waiting for connections. Here I have an Android application that I have done. Okay, it waits for connection because it blinks red LEDs. Okay, if I try to connect, I have connected right now. As you can see, there are two types of operation modes. One with manual with buttons, the other with joysticks with the joystick. Okay, I will now show you with the buttons. Okay. Here I can set its speed. This is forward. Okay. This is backward. When going backward, it makes a sound that resembles to the car school bus sound actually. In order to turn right or left, I pressed like I press backward, it goes backward. And okay, I have two types of sensors in this robot. One of them is ultrasonic distance sensor, so whenever it becomes nearer than 30 centimeters, it stops. Let's test that. Okay, it stopped. I didn't push any button here. I will show you again. Okay, forward. It stops. And now I will show you how speeds is handled. It goes forward. I changed the speed here like that. Okay, it stopped. Now I will show you light sensor that are here actually. As you can see, I have two LDRs and capacitors, and light is detected according to the charging time of the capacitors. Okay. I'm now turning on the light, and whenever it sees the light, it will stop. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let me try again. The light should be high. Okay, like that. Let's try again. Okay, here's my robot, and let me show you the joystick mode. In this mode, speed is adjusted according to the pushing level of my finger. As you see, if I hold it to the straight right, it turns it around like that. If I push it to the corners like that, it turns, but not around itself, but slowly. And it can go forward, backward, or back like that, and turn around like that. Let me show you my code to do that. I have this kind of Python code, and I used buzzer to make the sound of going backward, as you heard a couple of minutes ago, like that. I have used two batteries, you see here, and a power bank. I used ultrasonic sensor here, and I also used some other stuff. Hope you enjoyed my car. See you.